Listen bro, a tan doesn't just make you look darker, it makes your skin look dull, older, and tired. The good news? You can remove tan fast if you follow 5 proven science-backed steps. No nonsense, no fake hacks, just real methods men actually use. Let's go. Step 1. Chemical exfoliation. Forget only scrubbing with home stuff. The fastest way to remove tan is chemical exfoliation. Use a face wash or serum with AHA, like glycolic or lactic acid. These dissolve the dead pigmented skin cells sitting on top, so your natural tone comes back faster. Tip: use 2 to 3 times a week, not daily. Overdoing can irritate your skin. Step 2. Niacinamide or vitamin C. Second, fade the pigmentation. Niacinamide and vitamin C are 2 ingredients dermatologists recommend. Niacinamide reduces uneven skin tone, while vitamin C blocks melanin production. If you're serious, get a serum with 10% niacinamide or a vitamin C moisturizer and use it daily. Within weeks, tan fades and your skin looks brighter. Step 3. Aloe vera plus green tea ice cubes. Here's a quick and effective homemade skincare remedy you can easily make yourself. Aloe vera plus green tea ice cubes. Aloe vera repairs sun damage. Green tea reduces inflammation. Freeze them into cubes. Rub on your face after coming back from the sun. This calms redness, speeds up healing, and slowly fades tan lines. Feels refreshing too. Step 4. Hydration plus diet boosters. Tan isn't just outside, it's also how your body heals inside. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily and add foods rich in antioxidants. Oranges, tomatoes, spinach. Lycopene in tomatoes actually protects against sun damage. Think of it as an internal sunscreen, makes your skin recover faster. Step 5. Sunscreen and recovery routine. Last step, protect and maintain. Always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen, SPF 30+, before going out. If you skip this, the tan will keep coming back. Pro tip: men's skin is oilier, so go for a gel-based sunscreen. No stickiness. And at night, use a light moisturizer to repair skin while you sleep. So bro, those are the 5 science-backed steps. Chemical exfoliation, niacinamide or vitamin C, aloe vera plus green tea ice cubes, antioxidant diet plus hydration, sunscreen plus recovery. Follow this consistently for 2 to 3 weeks, and your tan will fade faster than you expect. If this video helped, hit subscribe for more men's grooming hacks. Stay sharp, stay confident.